Assalamualaikum and very good day. So today I will continue our lecture on the last part and the topic function, logarithmic, exponential and power function. Okay, so these are the rules of exponent for any real numbers for logarithmic. So if we have a to the m, a to the n, maksudnya it's equal a in bracket m plus n. Okay, so this is index rule or rules that you have to remember. Okay, let's say we have a over b equals a power of m over b power of m. Okay, so for this one, for inverse 1 over a power of n, maksudnya a equal a power of negative n, inverse lah. So please remember this. Okay, we have a scalar and dot function here, and then next is the logarithm function with base b written log b x or log x base b is defined by y equals log x base b if and only if x equal b power of y. That is the logarithm log b x give the exponent to which you must raise the base b to get the given number x. Tak ada apa-apa lah. Okay, however, you have to know this is basic. Log 10 base 10 equals 1. Let's say we have log 1 base 1 equals 1. Okay, what if I have log 2 base 2 equals 1? Okay, usually abbreviation of log x base 10 can be written as log x. Maksudnya dia adalah base 10 lah. Okay, next, so this is the other rules. Okay, so log m over n equals log m minus log n. Okay, log n. Okay, because m is the top part, so sign and n log n here at the bottom part. This is top and bottom part, so we put negative sign here. Okay, this is another rules. Okay, and then remember, if you want to how to say eliminate the ln, so we have to e ln x equal x. Ln x cancel, x becomes x. Okay, next, we know that the following properties are satisfied by the exponent function. So let's say we have ex1 times ex2, it's equal ex1 plus x2, sama je. So because this is an inverse, so ex1 minus x2. Okay, next, determine 1, 2 and 3. So log 1 over 10, we know that log inverse 10 power of negative 1. Okay, negative 1, so we get negative 1 log 10 10. Log 10 base 10, maksudnya this one, 1. So 1 times negative 1 equals 1. Same as for this one, log 0.001 equals log 10 negative 3 Okay, samalah. And then for this one, log E3 equals log E3. So we know that because this is log E, right? So equals log E base E. So log E base E 1 based on logarithm properties or rules. Okay. Solve this equation. This is a problem. Solve this problem. We have E power of x plus 4 equals 7. What is the value of x? So you can find value of x, or you can put it in for this one. Solve E x power plus 4 equals 7 for x. So you put x as in a formula or in equation. So we know that in order to how to say, to diminish E times with ln. So ln times E. So here we have to multiply with ln. So we get ln 7. So this one cancel. X plus 4 equal ln 7. So the answer is this one. You can find ln 7 base 10 minus 4, the answer. Same as let's say I have question E x equal 4. So in order to solve this, you have to multiply with ln. So here ln 4. Cancel. X equal ln. Okay. So next, rewrite the exponential 2 power of x and 2 over 5 to the x as exponential. So here we have to rewrite the exponential 2 power of x and 2 over 5 power of x as an exponential with base E. So that we can rewrite 2 to the x equal E ln 2x equals E, this one, x ln 2. Okay. And then for this one, 2 over 5x equal E ln 2 over 5x. So we can bring in front. So we get x ln 2 over 5. But please remember, for any positive base, let's say base b not equal 1, so log x base b equal log x over ln x equal log x base b equal ln x over ln b. Simplifying logarithmic expression, write each as a single logarithm. Okay, so for a, log 27 power of x base 2. So this one, we know that equal 27 means 3 times 3 times 3. 3 power of 3. 9 times 3, 27. Okay, so we get log 2, 3 power of 3x here minus log 3x. Remember, this one you can bring in front, boleh ke depan. So you can get 3x log 2, 3 or minus log, this one x kan, x log 3 base 2. So ini sama, yang ini sama dengan ini, betul? So we can get 3x log 3 base 2 minus log 3 base 2. So we can get 2x log 3 base 2. Okay, ataupun dia sama balik lah, log 2 3 2x. Okay, for B, ln 8 minus 3 ln half. Ln half maksudnya inverse ni kan, sama dengan ini, 2 power of negative 1. So this one we can put in front, ke depan. So we can get 3 ln 2 minus negative 1 3 ln 2. So negative 3 ln 2 plus 1 times 3 ln 2. Salah ni, ini positif. Okay, equal 6. So this is ln 2. 6 ln 2 maksudnya ln 2 power of 6 maksudnya 2 times 6 times lah, 2 times 2 times 2 equal 64 ln 64. Okay, faham Next, use the rules of logarithm to expand the expression. Okay, so for this one, please remember that log 8 and ingat balik ln ni dah. Log A, ini log A plus log B, kalau yang ini log A minus log B. So here ln x3 y4 minus ln z5, kita guna ini. Okay, and then this one, dan yang ini bawa ke depan, 3 ln x plus 4 ln y minus 5 ln z. Okay, faham So for hyperbolic function, these are the what you call the equation for sin x and cos x. So let's say you have given a question to compute what do you call f(x) equals 0, f1 and f negative 1, and determine how fx and fx compare for each function. So you just substitute x equals 0, negative 1 and 1 in the equation. So since we 1 equal 1.18, and then similar for all negative 1 and 1. Okay, just the negative sign here. So we can say that sin negative x equal negative sin x. Okay, same goes for cos x. So you just substitute the x equal 1, negative 1 and 1 in the equation. Okay, that's all for today. So I will continue, or I will upload another video on, I think, scalar function matrix after this. Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum.